The 7 to 1 error code indicates a problem with a dishwasher's heating system. This issue can be caused by several factors, including a scale buildup on the heating element, a broken electrical path, or a faulty control board. To fix the error, it's essential to identify and address the underlying cause. First, check the heating element for rust and scale, as excessive buildup can lead to worn-out elements that cannot conduct power properly, requiring replacement. Next, verify the continuity of the heating element by using a multimeter to test the connection between the terminals of the high-limit thermostat. The multimeter can also be used to check the resistance of the heating element, which should be at least 50 ohms. If not, a replacement with a lower resistance one may be necessary. Additionally, inspect the dishwasher control board, as a faulty board can prevent the heating element from receiving the necessary signals to heat the water. Look for defects such as burnt connections that may need replacement, or consider replacing the entire board. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it's recommended to consult qualified personnel for further assistance.